got an issue with this Subaru Impreza. It's not starting, so we checked all the fuses down there, checked all them fuses there. It's still not starting, so what we're gonna do now is take the back seats out, check inside there. So we have to take the back seats out to see if you can get to the fuel pump and then test it from there.
Yeah, that's
Uncle Anwar's checked in the car. He's checked the plug here. It's not there is power coming to the fuel pump, but it looks like the fuel pump itself is not working, so we're going to remove the fuel pump. We're going to remove the pipes, take all them 8mm bolts off, and then see what it's like in there. Took the bolts off, right. So whilst he's taking the bolts off, you just need to admire how many cars there are here. Nice. There's some cars here, man. There's always so much special in Uncle Anwar's garage. Look at this. It's a Type R thing there. Always so much special here. Pipes off. Now we just need to get out of here, but it's a bit fiddly. It's really fiddly.
I can smell fuel?
Yes, fuel's in there, yeah.
Whoa.
Right. So this is the fuel pump.
I'm trying to take it all out.
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to do, yeah. Which way it comes out, but it should come out one way.
Oh, it's coming out, it's coming out.
It's not coming out. Right, okay. So it goes in this way, yeah? So you know when we're putting it back in.
You'll just look at the video. Still stuck though?
It's just a fuel thing. Fuel sender.
That's a big fuel pump. Look how gorgeous this car is. Mamma mia.
Fuel pump's knackered.
Fuel pump's knackered.
So you got negative on there, and the probe's giving it positive, and we've got nothing working.
Right. So
Yep.
that's how you test it.
So it needs a new fuel pump.
So
Needs another full pump.
it's not upgraded one. This is
No,
one
no.
standard. It's not Volvo or anything, is it? So it's fired up, yo. I'll get the keys and move it. Live! I scared him. It's alive after a full days of work, mate. So the problem was in the end, it was his fuel pump. So we had to take the fuel pump out, put a new fuel pump in it, and it started up. Because he was my mate, we helped him out. We spent a full day on this, man. I'm not even joking, the full day. But it's worth it in the end, because now his car's running and he can go for a little drive. We're done, we just need to put the seats back in.
Really?
Well, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.
It's not a game.